Hi everyone, welcome to Salt Pages YouTube channel. Usman Ali, one of our subscriber who was requested to make a video on how to delete old backups using a maintenance plan. So let's see how it will work. So you can create a separate maintenance plan for deleting the old backups, or else you can create task and add to existing maintenance plan. I've already created a maintenance plan for full backups, differential and log backups. So let's add separate tasks to the existing maintenance plan. Let's go to the modify. I have a full backup plan here. Just take another task, maintenance cleanup task. Just add below to the task. I can edit this one. So delete files for the following type. I need to delete the backup files, not for the reports. And the folder we have to give it here. So I've created three folders for three different backups: full, differential, and log backups. Full, I can see the recent files. I'm just deleting the recent files. I'm copying the old file for the demo purpose. These are the old backup files. I'm just copying these files to this folder for the better understanding. So I have three folders: full, differential, and for log backup. So I'm selecting full database folder, and the extension should be .bak. I want to delete the files older than 1 week. I'm just saving this maintenance plan. So when I run this maintenance job, you can see the older files will be deleted and the new files will be placed on the same folder. Let me configure the same for the differential backups as well. Just click on modify, add the maintenance cleanup task. Just edit the task. I'm not giving any schedule for this because I'm running this job manually. Just select the path. Now I'm selecting the differential folder. For the differential backup also, the extension is same, that is .bak. I'm also putting this as a older than 1 week. In the differential folder, I can see the old files. Here also I can see the new files. I'm just deleting the new files and I'm adding older files. These are all older files. So you can also run this job from the SQL agent. See, the older files will be deleted automatically and you can see the new database backup files. In the same way, we can create maintenance cleanup task for log backups as well. But only the difference is the extension should be .trn instead of .bak. Path I'm giving as log backups. Here I have to put .trn instead of .bak. So in the log backups folder, I have two older log backups. Sorry. If you don't see this execute option here, you can go to SQL Server agent and you can run the job from here as well. See what happened? The older files will be deleted and the new files will be placed on the same folder. This is how you can create a maintenance cleanup activity that will delete the older files. You can also create separate maintenance plan as well, like this. Here I'm creating separate maintenance plan. But if you have both full backups and log backups, you can only delete full backups itself. If you want to delete log backups as well, you have to create another task. If you want to delete log backups also, you have to add another task as well, like this. Here you can give the TRN extension. So if you want to clean up the backups, you can run this job manually. That's all you can do it. Thanks for watching.